Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
African palm crosses are made from dwarf palms Hyphina coriacea, which grow wild and are not cultivated. The film shows villagers cutting the palms in an area near Mbangara where they grow wild. They are then dried and cut into strips before being transported back to the villages, by bicycle or on foot.
Let's help you make your mark.
The palm branch is a symbol of victory, triumph, peace and eternal life. Originating in the ancient Near East and the Mediterranean world, Wikipedia. Palms and palm branches have symbolic meaning to the Jews of today and in ancient times. 6 April 2017.
Take our lead.
Always the Sunday before Easter, Palm Sunday commemorates Jesus' entry into Jerusalem for the Jewish feast of Passover. Palms represent the day when the people waved the palm branches and placed them along the road as Christ entered the city. 26 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On Palm Sunday many churches pass out palm leaves. They are waved in victory and kept in homes as a daily reminder of the victory of Christ. One way people have given more meaning to the palm leaf is to form it into the shape of a cross. This symbolizes the ultimate victory of Christ was his sacrifice. 3 April 2007.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.